Our company has been providing high-quality training solutions for over 2 decades. We have a proven track record of delivering results-driven training programs that have helped numerous organizations achieve their goals. Our team of experts consists of experienced trainers who are passionate about helping others learn and grow. We offer a wide range of training options, including online courses, workshops, and customized training programs. Our goal is to equip individuals with the skills and knowledge necessary to succeed in today's fast-paced business environment. Bluecoat Proxy Training is designed for professionals and organizations seeking to master industry-leading web security technology. Our expert-led training program is tailored to help you enhance your network security skills and protect your digital assets from cyber threats. With Vistasparks Solutions, you can trust that you're getting the most advanced training available in the market. Our training is interactive, engaging, and comprehensive, covering all aspects of web security, from basics to advanced topics. By enrolling in our Bluecoat Proxy Training, you'll gain the knowledge and expertise needed to defend against sophisticated cyber attacks and stay ahead of emerging threats. Our training is delivered through live virtual sessions, self-paced learning, and classroom training, allowing you to choose the format that best suits your needs and schedule. At Vistasparks Solutions, we're committed to providing you with the highest level of support and resources to ensure your success in mastering web security. You will be able to defend against sophisticated cyber attacks and stay ahead of emerging threats by gaining the knowledge and expertise needed through this training. The training covers all aspects of web security, including both basic and advanced topics. The training is delivered through various formats such as live virtual sessions, self-paced learning, and classroom training. We provide a high level of support and resources to ensure your success in mastering web security. The training is interactive, engaging, and comprehensive, making it easy to learn and understand. Bluecoat Proxy Training is essential for professionals and organizations seeking mastery over industry-leading web security technology. Mastering Bluecoat proxies enables individuals to secure web access across networks and advance their careers in high-demand cybersecurity roles with competitive salaries worldwide. The training covers both technical knowledge and career advancement, allowing participants to make informed decisions about their digital futures. With Vistasparks Solutions, participants can trust that they are receiving expert-led training designed specifically for professionals and organizations. The training is tailored to meet the unique needs of each client, offering flexible options for online or classroom delivery. Large corporations and small organizations alike benefit from the training, which elevates team capabilities and helps them stay ahead of the competition. Industry leaders such as DHL, PwC, KPMG, Tech Mahindra, HP, and others have successfully implemented the training, achieving significant results. Participants who complete the training transform their careers into sought-after Bluecoat security experts. The Bluecoat Proxy's Advantage offers advanced capabilities that provide comprehensive protection. This includes access to powerful features that set proxies apart from traditional proxy servers. One key advantage is its seamless integration with security solutions, allowing for effective protection and control of both internet traffic. Deep SSL inspection is also available, which enables secure network decryption while minimizing potential performance issues. Furthermore, proxies provides flexible authentication realms, intelligent bandwidth management, sophisticated content filtering, real-time threat intelligence, and liability reduction through policy integration and enforcement. These features collectively contribute to an enhanced overall security posture. The company has been working on this product for several years and has developed a comprehensive framework for managing network traffic. The framework includes a set of tools and features that allow users to create custom policies and apply them to their networks. The framework also provides a centralized location for managing all network traffic-related tasks, including monitoring and reporting. The framework is designed to be flexible and adaptable to different types of networks and environments. The company has partnered with leading IT vendors to integrate its framework with popular network management systems. This integration enables users to leverage the power of the framework within their existing infrastructure. The partnership also ensures that the framework remains compatible with future-proof technologies. The company's goal is to make network traffic management easy and accessible to everyone. To achieve this goal, the company has focused on creating a user-friendly interface and providing extensive documentation and support resources. The company's vision is to revolutionize the way people manage their network traffic, making it faster, more efficient, and more secure. The company's framework is based on a modular design, which allows users to customize and extend the functionality of the system. The framework also incorporates advanced technologies such as machine learning and artificial intelligence to enhance security and performance. The company has received positive feedback from customers who have successfully implemented the framework in their organizations. Customers have reported significant improvements in network traffic management, reduced costs, and increased productivity. The company is committed to continuing to innovate and improve its framework, ensuring that it remains at the forefront of network traffic management solutions. Our comprehensive training program covers everything you need to know about ProxySG, including its architecture, policy management, and security deployment strategies. The training is designed to help you overcome common network security challenges and stay ahead of threats like web pulse. By the end of this course, you will be equipped with the skills and knowledge needed to deploy ProxySG securely and effectively. The course covers foundational knowledge in proxy services and HTTP protocols, providing a solid foundation for advanced security solutions. Students will gain expertise in proxy operations, mastering the VPN interface, creating overviews, and strategically deploying these solutions. The course delves into HTTP, HTTPS, handling and protocol sophisticated policies, enabling students to optimize content controls and plan for future security needs. Advanced topics such as downloads, exceptions, and access logging are covered, including advanced authentication and encrypted traffic management. Students will learn how to manage file transfers, configure policy exceptions, and implement comprehensive logging and encryption. By the end of the course, students will have gained practical experience and knowledge to tackle complex security challenges in real-world scenarios. Individual training is tailored to meet the unique needs of each learner. A personalized learning path is created to align with their specific project requirements or career advancement goals. The customized course content is precisely aligned to provide learners with the skills they need to succeed. With ultimate flexibility, learners can choose from weekday evening sessions or intensive weekend crash courses that fit their busy schedules. Expert instructors deliver one-on-one or small group live video sessions, providing learners with real-world experience and guidance. Certified Bluecoat consultants lead these sessions, bringing valuable expertise to the table. Upon completing the course, learners earn a prestigious industry recognition certificate, widely accepted by employers as proof of their professional credibility. This certification serves as a testament to their commitment to ongoing learning and development. Learners can trust that the training provided is of the highest quality, backed by expert instruction and recognized globally. Individual training offers several benefits, including self-paced mastery, where you can learn at your own pace with personalized guidance that adapts to your learning style. This approach allows you to take control of your learning and work at your own speed. In addition to this flexibility, individual training packages also offer flexible pricing options, making it accessible to a wide range of learners. These packages typically include all necessary course materials, practice labs, and certification preparation resources. Direct access to expert consultants is another key benefit, allowing you to connect directly with Bluecoat Proxy certified consultants for mentorship and technical guidance. This direct access enables you to get immediate feedback and support as you progress through your training. Furthermore, individual training provides comprehensive certification preparation, ensuring that you are well prepared for the Bluecoat Proxy certification exams. With this preparation, you can gain practical skills and contribute meaningfully to projects immediately after completing your training. Overall, individual training offers a range of benefits that cater to different learning styles and preferences. By providing flexible pricing options, direct access to expert consultants, and comprehensive certification preparation, individual training empowers learners to achieve their full potential. The company's virtual training platform offers a range of courses that cater to different skill levels and interests, including business and creative skills. The platform provides access to a vast library of video lessons, interactive simulations, and hands-on exercises. Participants can choose from various course formats such as self-paced, instructor-led, and blended learning options. Our corporate training programs are designed to address the specific needs of each organization. We provide flexible options for online or classroom delivery, allowing participants to choose the format that suits them best. The training is delivered by experienced trainers who have extensive knowledge of the subject matter. Our training programs are highly customizable, addressing unique security concerns and accommodating distributed teams. Many industry leaders, including DAL, PwC, KPMG, Tech Mahindra, and HP, trust our solutions, recognizing the importance of effective training in meeting business requirements. Our global delivery capabilities enable us to reach clients across multiple continents, delivering results that exceed expectations. Our training programs have earned client approval, with a satisfaction rate of 95% and over 1,000 plus satisfied clients worldwide. The company provides a comprehensive training program for its employees. This program includes corporate training, which offers several benefits such as enhanced productivity, strategic alignment, flexible delivery, and ongoing support. The training content is designed to meet the needs of the organization and align with corporate security policies and existing infrastructure. The training is delivered through various formats including on-site, virtual instructor-led, and blended options. Post-training support is provided to ensure that the skills learned are retained over time. The company's global security team was looking to transform its network security operations. We worked closely with them to deliver customized Bluecoat Proxy Training for over 50 network engineers across their global operations. This training had a significant impact on their incident response times. With our training, they were able to reduce their incident response times by 30%. Furthermore, our training helped improve policy enforcement consistency. In fact, our clients saw a dramatic improvement in this area. As part of our ongoing partnership, we continue to provide refresher courses and advanced training modules to help them maintain their skills and stay ahead of emerging threats. The training program will focus on the key areas of Bluecoat Proxy, including configuration, deployment, and management. The program will also cover advanced topics such as threat intelligence, incident response, and security orchestration. Participants will gain hands-on experience with real-world scenarios and case studies, allowing them to apply their knowledge and skills in a practical setting. The training will be delivered by experienced instructors who have extensive experience in implementing Bluecoat Proxy Solutions. Bluecoat's Certified Proxy Administrator and professional certifications are highly regarded by top employers globally. The training provided by Bluecoat is carefully crafted to align with the official certification exam objectives and testing domains, ensuring that you receive the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in this field. With these certifications, you'll gain access to new career pathways and open doors to exciting opportunities in network security, IT, administration, compliance, and cybersecurity architecture. By pursuing a Bluecoat certification, you'll be taking the first step towards a rewarding and challenging career in this rapidly evolving field. Vistasparks Comprehensive Preparation Program ensures that students are well prepared for their certification journey. The program includes step-by-step exam preparation using proven strategies, as well as extensive practice resources and expert mentoring. Students who participate in this program have access to direct support from experienced trainers, which helps them overcome any doubts they may have. As a result, students achieve exceptional results in their certifications. Working with Vistasparks also offers several benefits, including the opportunity to earn professional credibility-enhancing course completion certificates. These certificates can help boost one's career prospects by demonstrating expertise and knowledge in a particular field. Furthermore, partnering with Vistasparks allows students to gain confidence in taking the next steps towards achieving their certification goals. Our live virtual sessions provide real-time engagement and interaction with our instructors. This allows participants to ask questions and receive immediate feedback. Participants can also interact with each other through chat functionality. Our expertise lies in providing tailored solutions to meet the unique needs of our clients. With years of experience in deploying and managing Bluecoat Proxys, our trainers possess extensive knowledge of this technology. This expertise enables us to deliver customized training programs that cater to the specific requirements of each organization. Whether you are an individual looking to enhance your skills or a global enterprise seeking to implement Bluecoat Proxys across multiple sites, we design training programs that address your unique objectives, technical needs, and business goals. Our proven track record of delivering high-quality services has earned us a reputation as a trusted partner among multinational corporations and government agencies. Our approach is centered around practical, hands-on learning, focusing on applying new skills rather than merely theoretical knowledge. By doing so, we ensure that our clients can immediately apply the skills they acquire during our training sessions. Vistasparks provides expert training and support services to help organizations enhance their network security capabilities. These services are designed to improve incident response, strengthen threat detection, and optimize overall security architecture. The company works closely with each client to address their unique security needs. By partnering with Vistasparks, organizations can gain access to advanced security knowledge and best practices from around the globe. This partnership enables them to achieve long-term success in their digital transformation journey. Vistasparks delivers high-quality training and support to ensure clients achieve their goals. The company has been providing cybersecurity services since 2005. The company's mission is to protect people from cyber threats. The company provides various types of cybersecurity services, including threat detection, incident response, penetration testing, vulnerability assessment, and security awareness training. The company also offers a range of products and solutions that can be used to enhance security measures. These include firewalls, intrusion detection systems, antivirus software, and encryption tools. The company has received numerous awards and recognition for its commitment to protecting people from cyber threats. The company has a strong reputation for delivering high-quality services and has established partnerships with leading technology companies. The company's team consists of experienced professionals with expertise in various areas of cybersecurity. The company's leadership team includes experts in threat intelligence, incident response, and security architecture. The company's vision is to continue to provide innovative solutions to help organizations protect themselves from cyber threats. Bluecoat Proxy Training Program is designed to equip students with the skills necessary to succeed in the rapidly evolving digital landscape. The program focuses on teaching students how to navigate the complexities of online security, including threat detection, incident response, and mitigation strategies. By the end of the course, students will be able to identify potential threats, respond effectively to incidents, and implement measures to prevent future attacks. The curriculum includes hands-on exercises, case studies, and real-world examples to provide students with practical experience and knowledge. The program is tailored to meet the needs of various industries and organizations, allowing participants to develop skills that are relevant to their specific work environment.